Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Amourccy. My name is Cynthia Fournier. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Amourccy so you'll be the first to watch my new videos. Today I'm gonna explain to you 4 wonderful business to do in Africa. I invite you to watch from the beginning to the end so you don't miss any details. It's important. Number 1. Agriculture business. For example, chicken, goats, cow, banana, orange, plantain. Chicken grows fast and is a profitable agricultural business. Chicken produces eggs, and with eggs you can do a lot of things. You can use eggs to bake cakes, you can use eggs to make salad, and you can use eggs to make sauce. Cow produces milk. Milk is good for the health. You can use milk to make cheese and to make butter. Goats produce milk. Milk is good for the health, and you can drink milk in the morning, afternoon, or night. It's easy to do. When you have a lot of eggs, goats, cows, you put them for sale and you make money. Banana is good for the health. Orange is good for the health and it has vitamin C. Plantain is healthy. It's easy to cultivate. A lot of people like plantain. You can boil plantain, fry plantain, or make plantain chips. It's easy to do and it's nice and delicious. When you finish, you can cook plantain and beans, plantain and rice, plantain and noodle, or you can accompany plantain and chicken. Number 2. Healthcare center is very important. Healthcare center have to be close to residents to enable people to arrive quickly. It's not gonna be expensive because if it's expensive, it's gonna be difficult to pay. I repeat, healthcare center is important for people, for every people. It's not gonna be expensive because if it's expensive, it's gonna be difficult to pay. The healthcare center have to be close to residents, so to enable people to arrive quickly. Number 3. Invest in building. Step number 1. You buy a land. It can be flats, estates, or bungalow. Is based on what you can afford. For example, you can buy 1 apartment, 2 apartments, 3 apartments, 4 apartments, 5 apartments, or more. 1 house, 2 houses, 3 houses, 4 houses, 5 houses. I repeat, you can buy 1 apartment, 2 apartments, 3 apartments, 4 apartments, 5 apartments, or more. 1 house, 2 houses, 3 houses, 4 houses, 5 houses, or more. It's based on what you can afford. When you finish to buy apartments or house, you put them for rent and you make money every month. Is easy to do. For the flats, you acquire a land. It depends on the size of the land. You can start with constructing self-contained 1-bedroom flats, 2-bedroom flats, 3-bedroom flats, 4-bedroom flats, 5-bedroom flats, or more. You can also make 1-bedroom bungalow, 2-bedroom bungalow, 3-bedroom bungalow, 4-bedroom bungalow, 5-bedroom bungalow, or more. You can put as many as you wish. You can put it on rentage or lease. You can also get a estate manager that can take care of the building by making sure that the rentage is paid as agreed. So you have no problem with management because it's been managed by estate manager. Step number 2. You can also build a building and put them for rent and make money. You see, it's not difficult to do, and it's not difficult to invest in estate business. It's not difficult to invest in estate business. You buy a land and you buy a building, and here you go. It's very easy to do. Number 4, automobile business. You can buy new cars or fairly used cars. If the cars are new, it's gonna be expensive, but if the cars are fairly used, it's gonna be less expensive. When you finish to buy new cars or fairly used cars, you sell them and you make money. It's very easy to do. You see, is the 4 wonderful business you can do in Africa. I repeat, is the 4 wonderful business you can do in Africa to make money. I'm not a financial advisor. Before you start, make your research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Amourccy, to share, to like, and to give me a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, don't forget to leave below. All my videos are on the description below. And see you in my next video.